Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Prints. Hope you all are doing great and learning well with the help of these tutorials. As we discussed on our Instagram page, we will guide you about how to convert a flat artwork into a layer artwork, right? As of now on your screen you can see there is a pixelated artwork which I have placed with the two motifs. Let me show you the layer 1 and layer 2. We are going to convert this pixelate artwork into a screen print. Then later on we will understand how to convert those flat image or flat artwork into layer. So without wasting a time, let's start the video. Welcome back. So whatever the short command I'm gonna use, you can see in the white dialog box. There is no issue. I have used this pattern to see the layouts or the size of the motifs. So let's close this as of now. And now the point is how to convert this kind of pixelated motif into a screen print artwork, right? First let me flat this these two layers so that I can whatever the balancing on the layer I'll do, that will be applying on both layers. So for that I have to flat this. For flatting the layer I'm using the short command Ctrl E. You can see in a white dialog box, right? Now I have to balance the contrast. So for the contrast I have to see that black should be more darker and white should be more lighter. So I'm just adding contrast and making black more darker, right? And white slightly like not as such. We have to work here very carefully because the other colors are going very off. So we need to understand. See, now you can see the difference. Black is good, but the gray is going, the yellow is getting too much bright, so that we need to go back slightly. Yes, now let's see. Yeah, it's fine. And again I feel that black should be more black, so for that I'm using another technique, which is selective color. I'm picking up the black and making it dark, right? So now the black is more black and red is more red and yellow is yellow. As of now the artwork is still pixelated, right? Artwork is still pixelated, but I'm just trying how we can achieve the best effect of the conversion random pixelated motif into a clear artwork, then how we can convert into layers, right? So let's give some more details. Let's work on the curves. Yes, yeah, now you can see it is going more balanced and more bright in contrast, right? So okay, let's work on the yellow color as well once. See, I'm not doing anything on layer because I just want everything on this layer. I'm not keeping those changes in separate layers because I'm sure that whatever I'm doing it will be good. So that's why. Now you can see yellow should have more yellow, so that when we are converting into the flat artwork or a screen print conversion, it will pick up the right color and right technique. That's why I'm adding more value and more vibrancy to the colors, right? Let's see the red, make it more brighter so that when we convert it pick up in very best quality. Like we cannot go more darker, right? Yeah, so hope it is making sense. As of now, till now it is very clear, like whatever we have done. So I'm just flattening all the layers with selection and Ctrl E. Ctrl E the short command to merge the layers. How much layer we will select before Ctrl E, they will merge together, right? And like I'm okay with the detailing which I have added. If you want to add more detail, more work, you can do it. So I'm just converting this artwork into an index color, right? It was the previous setting. You have to go in a local selective sections. There are so many things. Exact is the thing when your artwork is already clear. If you have to make the artwork clear, you have to go local selective. So now I'm in local selective. As you can see, there's a some things like preview before and after. I have to increase colors. Let's go by 10. Yes, let's increase 2 more, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right. Okay. In the preview you can see it was the previous, now what we have done. It was the previous, now what we have done. Right. Let's keep it, hit OK. Okay. So now this artwork has converted into 16 colors. But as we can see there are just 4 to 5 colors, not 16. Black, grey, yellow, red and this pink. And if we count base, then 6. There are 6 colors, but we have fixed it on 16. Yeah, these are the 16 colors, right? Now we have to fix this 16 colors into 6 colors. So I'm just clicking this yellow, bright yellow. It might be, yeah, it is here. So I'm just converting this yellow. I'm merging 2 yellows basically. I'm just clicking here. Whenever I'll click, that bright yellow will convert into that color. So I'm just merging 2 colors. So now I have merged 2 colors, like that bright yellow and the normal mustard are become one, right? This mustard again. Now you can see this become one. This black, let's make it jet black first. Okay, this also should have black, right? And this black should have also jet black, right? Now these three are jet black. Now let's fix on a whites, make them pure white. I'm selecting the more closest white shades and converting them into proper white. You can see the changes on your screen, like how the white colors are coming. So let's, okay, fine. Now the artwork is complete. Okay, I just noticed there is a gray which is lost. So let's undo first. We have to cancel all this because we need to see. Okay, this is another technique to fill the colors which I am using. Just press G for paint bucket. With Alt command you can pick color here and fill here, right? I'm just simply filling here. If you are not comfortable with the color table, you can start working like this, like Alt and fill, right? Let's make it one color, right? Okay, so let's see if anything else left. Whatever the color you want to use, you can fix it like this. Pick it, fill. Fill here, fill here, fill here. Like now the colors are reducing. You can see how the pixelated artwork becoming a clear artwork. You can clean these things if you have time. I'm just guiding you the techniques. You can draw it, you can whatever is your requirement. The point was here to making this tutorial to guide you on how to convert a flat artwork into layer. So I'm converting my artwork into the RGB. That was the short command. If you missed it, I'm just doing the proper manual way. Go in a mode section, click on RGB. Now everything has converted into RGB. And let's do it again once. Index how many color we have reduced, right? So let's see, exact 7. We calculated 6 color, now we are on 7. So let me see which is the one color which is extra, like red, pink, black, black. There are 2 blacks. We have to convert this into one black, right? Now this is the one black, and let's convert into RGB. If the now the color has been converted into RGB. For the count we can see there's a 5 color. For shortly we have to go into the index color to check the table, like 7 colors. Again there's another extra color. Let me see which, the black. Okay, jet black, right? Jet black. Okay, Let's convert into the RGB. Again converting into the index. Now it has to be 6, right? 1 is the base, 5 are the print colors. So hope it is clear. Let me see what are the colors, like white, gray, yellow, black, red, pink. These are the 6 colors. So now the point is how to convert these colors into layers, right? So here's the final test. I'm just picking magic wand. Just understand there is a no tolerance because artwork is totally clear artwork, no anti-alias. Contiguous is to select all the blacks or part wise. So we have to select all the things. So I'm just clicking off the contiguous, right? One click, every black particle has been selected, right? Every black particle has been selected from this artwork. Now Control C. Control C is the command, global command for copy the element. So the same we are using it, Control C and Control V, right? When you do it Control V or paste, it will be paste on a new layer, right? You can see there is it. So now black has been copied. Let's click on yellow. Again Control C, Control V, right? Now yellow has been also copied. Now stick on the red. Control C, Control V, right? Red is also copied. Now the point for gray. Let me select the gray. Control C, Control V. The gray has been also converted into the new layer. I guess now the only pink is left, right? So let's see the pink. Control C, Control V, right? I'm just deleting this layer, the final layer, right? Adding new layer and filling the white color here. So now you can see the layers. Let me show you the layer wise. One, black layer. You can simply give the name black print, right? Now this one is the yellow layer. Yellow, sorry, yellow color. Okay, the next layer is red. You can say red color, right? And the next layer is gray. You can say gray color. And the next layer is pink. We can give the simple name pink color, right? So hope guys this video is making clear sense to you. Now you can see all the layers are in separate. Hope you enjoy the session, you are liking the video. There is a very beautiful message in this video, like nothing is impossible. You just need to know the right technique. I'm here to guiding you about the techniques. You have to understand your skills. So let me see, just to give a quick review where we have started. I'm just guiding you again, a short, you can say a short quick back. So see, this was the artwork which we have taken initially. I'm just rewinding it so that it will be more clear if you stuck in somewhere, right? We have opened the layer, right? Layer has been merged, then bright contrast adjusted along with the selective colors and selective colors. Then we merge both layers and converted into the index, right? When we converted into the index, the all pixelated artwork has been converted into the into the screen in 16 colors. Then was the target how to convert into the less color. Then we decided to choose the merge colors with the similar colors, like gray has been merged with the similar grays, the black has been merged with the similar blacks, yellow has been merged with the yellows. All nearby colors has been merged. Then we have checked that how the colors are going more than 6, because on a screen it was showing like 6 color, but when we are converting into the screen print it was showing 7 to 8. Then we understand like how to convert in the reducing way. Then we reached on a color of 6 or 7, and then finalized we made a simple copy paste layer technique, and all artwork has been done very beautifully. That was the first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer, sixth layer, and our artwork has been ready, right? Hope guys this video makes you clear sense. If you have any question, any queries, you can simply write in the comment section. That is open for everyone. That was the all for the day. Hope it is making clear sense and you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Keep share and subscribe. Thank you.